The next topic in functions is kinds of functions. Or types of functions in it. So, in kinds of functions, we will revise the things what we studied at board level, that is one-to-one function, next many-to-one function, next on-to function, next into function, next bijective function. And we know that one-to-one is also known as injective function, and many-to-one is as it is, and on-to is another name is surjection. So both are injection as well as surjection, and this is bijective. Now we'll recall all the things. See, one-to-one function means a function f of a to b. In this f of a to b, we know that a is called the domain of the function and b is called the codomain of the function. Okay. So now a function f of a to b is said to be 1, 1 or 1 to 1 if every element of set A is having exactly one image in set B. That is 1, 1 correspondence between the set A and set B. Every element of set A is paired with exactly one element of set B, like this type C. So if f is a function from a to b, or we can call it as maps from a to b. So if you have some elements here like this, so we can call this one as one-to-one function, and here students will revise the elements which are exist in set A are called the domain, and the elements which are there in the B are called, means set of the elements. Set of the elements in A is called domain, and set of the elements in B is called the co-domain of the function. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. 1 is associated with 3, and 2 with A, 3 with B, and 4 with D. A, B, C, D are called images of the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. And the collection of all the images or the set of all the images is called range of the function. That's why range is always subset of codomain. Okay. Next type is many-to-one. So 1-to-1 means exactly 1-to-1 relation is there, means that means if two or more elements are having the same image in set B, then the function is said to be many-to-one. So this is 1-to-1 example. So many-to-one means we can take like this. So this we can call it as many-to-one. Okay. Two or more elements of set A are having the same image in set B, then f of a to b is said to be many-to-one function. This one. Next, on-to function. So on-to function means from the set same everything I am taking from a to b only. On-to function means if all the elements of set B are the images of one or more elements of set A. If all the images of set B are the images of one or more elements of set A. So that means, so here I will write example for this one. This one. Now if you notice here, none of the elements of set B left alone. So every element of set A is associated with one or other thing, like this. That means every element of set B is engaged. Okay. Whether it is many-to-one, one-to-one, we are least bother. Here we should not left anything. So everything is having a pair in set A, then we can call the function as on-to. So here we can observe one thing clearly. For on-to function, range is always equals to codomain. Exactly equal. Range is always equals to codomain. Then the function is said to be on to. But here this is the example for both actually. So two functions are having the same image and nothing was left in set B. That's why we can call it as many to one and onto. Like this also it happens. Combination wise the functions will come. So it is many to one and onto. Next is into. So into means if the function is not onto, then it will be set as into. So like this type set. This one. So clearly it is a many to one function, but here it is not onto because B and D are not having any pre-images. So that's why this function is said to be onto. So here if you define a function f from A to B, that is said to be onto. And next type is bisective. So bisective means if a function is both 1 and onto, then the function is said to be bisective. So that means so here if we define a function f and if we have the relation like this type, okay, this one. So here the function is both 1 as well as onto, that's why we can call it as bisective. Now the bisective functions we studied in one more manner also. If a function is bisective, then it can be invertible. That means inverse of a function exists only if the function is both 1 and onto.